Good evening, my dear students. Welcome to my new chapter, and this is for class 12 student, and the chapter is very important from the examination point of view, and this is Indigo. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, I have given you the link. Please subscribe. You will be getting benefited because Indigo chapter, as this is one of the longest chapters in your syllabus, so I'll be breaking it into 5 different parts so that you can understand it in a better way and segmentize so that it will be very easier for you to understand. My thing is that you should know the core of this chapter so that you can answer the questions very nicely and fluently. And always remember, in your examination, you try to answer it with brief sentences. Break the sentences. Don't write a very long sentence, and that will be very tiresome for you also. So, write very small sentences to the point and try to be simple. Okay. So, let's start Indigo. Now, first thing is, what is indigo? When we heard about the word indigo, it comes into our mind about what we call Nil. And this chapter is of pre-independence era. Means, amar dekhon sadin huar agor homoyor kotha, aru jihetu amar dekhon sadin huar agor homoyor kotha, tat কি হৈছিলে সেই বিষয়ে আমি এই চ্যাপ্টারটো জানিম। এটা ডাঙৰ ইনসিডেন্ট হৈছিলে, মহাত্মা গান্ধীয়ে য'ত গৈ প্ৰবলেমটো সলভ কৰিবলগীয়া হৈছিলে, আৰু এই চ্যাপ্টাৰটো লিখিছে লুই ফিচাৰ। আৰু লুই ফিচাৰক কোৱা হয় যে ওয়ান অফ দা বেষ্ট বায়োগ্ৰাফাৰ অন মহাত্মা গান্ধী, মোহনদাস করমচাঁদ গান্ধী। সো লেটস স্টার্ট দ্য চ্যাপ্টার। হিমালয়ৰ পাদদেশত, at the foothills of Himalaya, near the kingdom of Nepal, Nepalor Rajdhanir ওচৰত, in Bihar, Bihar ৰাজ্যত, সেই সময়ত ভাৰত বুলি ক'লে তোমালোকে মনত ৰাখিবা বাংলাদেশ, Pakistan, India. Now all 3 countries were together and that was called Bharat বা India. আৰু তাত এখন district asile naam asile Champaran. Remember, the entire episode of this Indigo chapter is about Champaran. So, Champaranot kisman estate asile. Like nowadays you know about the tea estates. So, all the estates were owned by Britishers because that time British rule was there in India. So, a Britisher bilak jetia asile teolokok koa hoisile landlords. So landlords bilake ki korisile nije kheti nokore. The Indian tenants means Indian jibur farmer asile teoloke ki korisile tat kheti korisile. And kheti korar babot teoloke kisuman kor dibo lagisile, aru kor to ki dibo lagisile teoloke dibo lagisile indigo crop rui pelai. Indigo tete crop asile, ajikale ami nil jitu artificial nil to ami dekha pao he somot hetu nasile, নীলৰ ইণ্ডিগৰ খেতি কৰিব লাগিছিলে, আৰু খেতি কৰি হেতু টিয়াই লৈ পেলাই শুকুৱাই তাক সৰু সৰুকে কাটি তাক আকৌ শুকুৱাই গুৰি কৰি তাৰ পৰা নীল উৎপাদন হৈছিলে। হেতু কাৰণে তাৰ কষ্ট অফ প্ৰডাকশন যেটো আমি আজিকালি কওঁ COP বহুত বেছি আছিলে। আৰু তেওঁলোকে কি কৰিছিলে 15% of their land, suppose ইমানখিনি মাটি দিলে তাৰ 15% of the land should be planted with indigo and entire 15% crop should be given to the British landlords. Hetu asile teolokor tax. Ar bakikini matit 85% matit teolokor ji issa take koribo parisile. Now the thing was going on smoothly, not very smoothly because we know the British landlords used to dominate them, used to torture them, and the condition of the sharecroppers, that is called sharecropping process. So the condition of the sharecroppers were very, 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 very poor. And that was also going on nicely, smoothly. And we know the Britishers were very intelligent. And so somehow they came to know that in Germany, artificial indigo has been produced. Germany ki hoisle eta artificial indigo produce korisile jar cost of production mane tak toyar korte jitu khorosa hoy hetu kom hoisile ar kom hoa karone kom damot bikri koribo parisile, and this news has been come to the British landlords. And immediately kintu Indian bilake jana nasile because in Champaran Indian tenants were so poor that they did not have any education, they were illiterate. So British bilake ahi Indian peasants bilakok kolehi je tumaloke next year pra aru indigo sharecropping koribo nalage. But a indigo sharecropping to nokorar loge loge ki hobo teoloke olop toka dibo lagibo, and they have demanded money. And if somehow the Indian tenants will not fulfill their demand, they have started torturing them. And this was the situation in Champaran sharecropping, and this was becoming a big problem. So let me stop for now, and I will be explaining what happened after that in my next video. Thank you for listening to me.